Hey there. Long time no see. Can you believe it's been 5 years since we graduated from college?
I know, right? Time really flies by. It's great to see you again, Alex.
Absolutely. Remember the crazy adventures we had during our college days? We were always up for trying something new.
Oh, I can't forget those days. The late-night study sessions, the hangouts at the campus cafe, and of course, the unforgettable road trip we took during spring break.
Ah, that road trip was epic. We set off with no specific plan, just a bunch of friends hitting the road, and it turned out to be one of the best experiences ever.
No doubt. And do you remember that one time we bumped into a famous celebrity while exploring the city? It was like a dream come true.
Oh yeah. I still can't believe our luck that day. We were so starstruck that we could barely get out a coherent sentence.
And how can we forget the pranks we used to play on each other? The water balloon fights, the fake spider in the dorm room, and the time we pulled off an entire surprise party for Jessica's birthday.
Those were hilarious. And speaking of Jessica, have you kept in touch with her? I lost contact after college.
Actually, I have. We ran into each other at a concert last year. She's doing really well, pursuing her passion for music.
That's awesome to hear. She was always so talented. Hey, do you still have that old photo album from our college days?
Of course. I've held on to it all these years. It's filled with memories that will make us laugh and cry.
I'd love to see it sometime. You know, revisiting those memories will surely bring back a flood of emotions.
Definitely. It'll be like going on a nostalgic journey. I'm glad we've managed to keep up with each other despite our busy lives.
Me too. Friends like you are hard to come by. Remember how we used to promise to stay friends forever?
Yeah, we made a pact that no matter where life takes us, we'd always stay in touch and be there for each other.
And we've lived up to that promise. We may not talk every day, but whenever we meet, it feels like no time has passed at all.
That's true friendship, right there. So, what have you been up to these past few years?
After college, I took up a job at a tech firm. It's been a challenging but rewarding journey. And recently, I got into photography as a hobby.
Wow, that's impressive. I always knew you had an eye for capturing moments. Maybe you should consider turning it into a profession.
Thanks. Who knows, maybe I will. And what about you? How's life been treating you?
I've been doing well too. I settled down in a new city and started my own business. It's been a roller coaster ride, but I'm loving every moment of it.
That's fantastic. I knew you'd end up doing something great. You always had that entrepreneurial spirit.
Thanks for the vote of confidence. It means a lot. Hey, let's make a plan to catch up more often from now on. No more waiting for another 5 years.
Agreed. Let's make it a point to meet up regularly. Life's too short not to cherish our friendships.
Here are the meanings of the phrasal verbs used in the conversation.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.